Hello, we're back again, and I'll bring back in the kitchen. See the operation in the kitchen. Let's go. Let's dip. Hey, what's up? Dip is busy actually right now. So here we go. Yum! Kitchen owner, the JJ. Hi Jay.
Hello.
Chef Mario is taking in action. And Mihai is taking in action over here with the bread. Say hi. Sorry.
You are coming to work for me?
Yeah. So that's for the bread.
Homemade bread.
Yeah. So this is all the this Chef Mario. Action.
You guys around here.
I'll make you famous, man. You're gonna be the star one day.
It's tuna tartar.
Yes. Tuna tartar.
On tuna tartar, gluten free. It's gluten free. Yes, gluten free. This is regular.
One with no soy sauce.
This is regular. This is no soy sauce.
Chef is on action right now.
no gluten, right?
Right. Only
What's your cooking, chef? What is that?
That's a saffron risotto.
Alright.
So little bit butter.
Here's a steak animal.
Chef is on action.
Oh, you're on fire here.
Yeah. It's in the kitchen. Yes, chef. What's up? So that's
How are you?
chef. I'm sorry. Preparation. For the preparation.
This is a salad.
Ah,
One
that's Chef
regular,
Mario.
one side.
Here's the pastry chef and the cold kitchen chef. You're in action right now, right?
This one is regular. This is side.
So all healthy. Everything's healthy here. So that's all the tickets down that's going out on that screen. So that's what he's looking for upset. And that screen.
Next, tuna tartar again.
So the tickets is rolling.
Right, you order one ceviche there.
You're running this.
So right here, we're plating now. Like here are all our checks for now. We're not that crazy busy. We go check by check.
Okay.
Here we're picking up now one mahi-mahi with a saffron risotto and one snapper. What do you see here, the black line? It's olive crumbs. So we dehydrate olives until they're coming dry and then we shred them up so they come like a powder.
Oil. I don't know what's the oil.
Then we have like a spicy mayo. Spicy mayo, those like little dots around. Yeah. And then we have like Peruvian peppers. Like little small peppers. Just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's for the main course.
That's for the main course, my friend. Alright. Alright, you order 4 chicken Alfredo and 2 black and mahi. You always have to make sure that it's nice and creamy, right?
Oh!
That was special effect.
That's the best.
Can you see that one?
That's the best one. Right there.
That's why we always had, so we don't burn our.
I love this fire.
Yeah. So now we have this lovely risotto coming up. Always taste right before you set it.
Make sure.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
Good. Okay.
And then we have a nice local.
Yeah.
Comes right in the middle here. So right here, picking up the snapper and then stop with creamy spinach. Oh yeah. Then we have these nice pieces of asparagus. Like very lovely, right? Just gonna cross it over like this. One in the front, two more in the back. And just put a little garnish on top. Wow, that's good to go. That's our mahi mahi.
Nice, 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 nice.
All right. Yeah. There you go.
And here, snapper. We have like little potatoes. They call new potatoes. We're gonna put them side by side, like 4 pieces.
Fire na, fire.
We have shiitake mushroom, but we put a little bit on the grill. Yeah. Side by side.
Wow,
That's our
this
snapper, right?
is the master chef, Chef Philip, rolling in the kitchen.
Take it on, right? Put it up here.
All right. Take
It's not allergic.
It's a grilling chef.
Yeah.
that little one, right?
Huh?
Yeah. Grilling. I'm grilling the lamb chops.
All right. There's an action right now. There's the
Yeah. Caribbean lobster tail right here. New Zealand lamb chops. New York
nice,
strip loin.
nice. Wow.
We have the garlic shrimp, the black tiger shrimp, jumbo.
All right, that's good.
Baked with the Korean cheese and the Swiss cheese. We put the raw shrimp with garlic butter, with chili. We're gonna put it in the oven now, and it comes out just delicious. Then we're gonna get a piece of grilled focaccia. We put on the side of it. All our bread is homemade, right? Like this focaccia.
All right.
You will taste on fire again, right? What about the ladies?
The ladies? Hey, ladies.
Yeah, what are ladies?
Yeah.
Just watching. Huh? Let's talk a little bit.
Yeah, talk a little
Where are
bit.
you guys from?
Jamaica.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah!
Jamaica, of course.
All right. Hi, mommy. Say hello. You gotta be famous. You gotta be famous.
Okay, no problem.
Soon come. So this is all the working area actually. And now it's like peak hour. So it's really busy right now downstairs. There's lots of yes. Philip actually is running this place right now. This kitchen.
London, yeah.
Hey man.
What's up?
Cool.
You have a watch Danny over there. He's making nice tuna tartar. You have it on the cake already. There he is in action over there.
What you making, chef?
This one is a bit safe. This one tuna tartar.
Nice, 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 nice.
Our Susa,
This one?
the Susa behind
Okay.
from Jamaica.
And you're the manager outside, right?
Manager is here.
Okay, good. So there's an action right now in the kitchen. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Alright? So that's done. It's ready for pickup. And there's
This one
another.
is a bit safe.
So he's an artist. He's Chef Mario actually is a pastry chef, but he worked like all over in this kitchen. He has lots of knowledge, you know. Same as well, Chef Philip is running this kitchen right now. He's from Austria. So Chef Mario is from the Philippines. He's from Cebu. You know where is Cebu? Yeah, boy. Nice, 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 nice. Well done, chef. So all the mise en place is here. Like every day, they have always mise en place. All our garnish is, all our ingredients is fresh. So you know, that's really nice. Wasusan, you know, that's how we do it. It's like clean. Everything is clean down here. So there's a show right now.
Fire! It's ready, okay?
So this is our kitchen. This is our main kitchen. And this nice piece of tuna down there.
Fresh tuna. Fresh. Yummy.
Every day, this chef in the kitchen is like working hard to make your food really good, tastes really good. That's what we do it.
This other one, that will be it.
So, again, what did I say? Just please don't forget to share to our friends. To do so or not, subscribe yet to my channel, please. You can do subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, and my Facebook page, and then my YouTube channel, so the Mixology. And I see you soon. Thank you.